Hi! Starting off with some of my favorite yarn from the brand Yarn Bee Soft Secret in the color Soft Pink. Almost every yarn will have a hook recommendation. The top one with 2 are for knitting and the bottom with the 1 hook is for crochet. The recommended size is 5.0 millimeter hook or size H. Let's get into it. So we're going to start off with our crochet hook. Mine is a 6.0. Then we're going to stretch our fingers and get right into the tutorial. Creating the slip knot. So we're going to cross the yarn over 2 fingers, loop it around, and then pull it through. This is going to create a nice little knot for us where we can firmly secure our crochet hook. Inserting our hook, we're going to make sure that we secure the loop. We can pull the strings if needed, making sure it's not too tight and not too loose, where our tool can still move freely up and down into the circle. We're going to wrap our pointer finger right around the working yarn, the one that's attached to the ball of yarn. And this is to create control. You do not want it too tight or too loose. This is to make sure there is no tension and that your hands stay freely moving as well as the yarn. Once we have that secure, we're going to use our index finger and our thumb, and we're going to grasp the beginning of the crochet. Here, our tool can still freely move up and down. This is how your hands shall look. Now, the fun part, crocheting. We're going to yarn under with our tool, tilting our hook down, pulling through. Again, we're going to yarn under, tilting our hook down, pulling through the circle. Yarn under, pull through. One more time. Yarn under, pull through. Now we have created a chain of 4. Reposition your fingers if needed, using your index and thumb to hold the base, making it easier for you to continue crocheting. Now you have a total of 8 chains, and you now officially know how to start crocheting.